And welcome back once again to the Maverick Cocktails. And today I have another very interesting vlog for you. It's all about networking. I've had a lot of people who have actually kept reaching out to me and saying, how do you network so effectively? What is it that you do? And I understand their concern area because you are no one without a massive, powerful network. So here I have 3 tips for you. Tip number 1. Effective networking is about giving and not taking. The biggest mistake a lot of people make when networking is they keep searching for what they can derive out of the network, what they can gain out of the network. And that's ridiculous. What you should be doing is give to your network. Look what they're doing, what is their requirements. Connect one with the other so that their businesses grow. In the process, they are going to turn around and reflect. Hey, you're doing all this for them. So what can we do for him? Networking is about giving. They will give you back too. Tip number 2. Networking grows not because people like you. Your network grows because people see people liking you and therefore they desire to like you too. That's a very, very important tip. If you're well connected, if you're really giving each one in your network and they start liking what you're doing, you're going to have a lot of people watching them liking you and therefore now would also like to connect with you. Tip number 3, be transparent, be truthful, and be honest. Nothing pays more than these 3 important assets. Just be yourself. Don't fake it to make it. I've always hated that statement. Don't fake it to make it. Just make it being honest and straight. Just the way you always were. This is Anand Nair, signing off for now, and I'm going to see you very soon. You take care. Till we meet again.